Good evening, everyone. Today I'm Nandita from CSEB going to tell the topic which was database awareness with real life examples. So, first of all, we need to know what is database. So, database is an organized collections of data that's stored electronically in a computer system that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated and retrieved when it's needed. There is also a system that is used to manage the database, which is known as DBMS, database management system. It connects the end user and the database itself to know the informations or to collect the data when it's needed. So there is many types of databases. For example, relational database like MySQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. And there is also NoSQL database like MongoDB. There is also distributed database, cloud database, networking database, and there is also a object-oriented database, and many more. So let's take the examples of the apps which use different type of database, like Facebook, which use MySQL, and Instagram that use PostgreSQL for storing all the post, comment, share, like, etc. And take the example of the YouTube, which use the big table than technology of Google to store the large amount of data. Then take the Google example of Google. It's used the advanced system like Bigtable and Spanner for storing different type of informations. And then this comes to Gmail, which also use the Bigtable technology of Google to store a large amount of data. Then it comes to Indian Railway, which use the Oracle database for managed ticket bookings and passengers records. And then it comes to Indigo Airlines, or the said Indian Airlines, which use the systems like Oracle database to handle reservations and flight informations. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Manishwini Mishra. Today we will discuss about the concepts of databases, what are its opportunities, what kind of job we can get if we expertise the database concept, uh, what are its real life examples. So let's begin. First of all, we will discuss definition of database. A database is a well organized collection of related data stored electronically so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Now, we will discuss about the types of databases. First, hierarchical database, network database, object oriented database, relational database, cloud database, central database, personal database, operational databases, NoSQL databases, etc. Now, it is also important to know the reasons for which we give weightage to the database concepts. That is, now we will discuss about the database awareness with real life examples. So, what is database awareness? Database awareness is the ability of an application to understand the structure, state, and limitations of databases. It basically includes the key concepts like the CRUD operations. CRUD operations means C, create, R means read, U means update, D means delete operations, and data persistence. So, why we require database awareness? Why does it matter so much? The reasons are privacy and security, efficiency, personalized experiences, error prevention. The real life examples are banking, streaming services like Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Video, e-commerce like Amazon, Instamart, Blinkit like applications, healthcare, social media applications like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Smartphone contacts, personal cloud storage like Google Drive, etc. So this is all the concepts we have discussed. Thank you.
So hi everyone, I'm Rohit. Today we'll be learning about database and how it works. If you want to find something from this book in manual form, it will take like couple of minutes to find. But if you will put this book in a digital format like PDF format, then want to search something from within this PDF, it will take around fraction of seconds to find that one. This is how powerful database is. Database is something different from folder. We are not into those things. The database is basically a structured manner of organized data, like the where the logically related data are stored in an organized manner. This is as simple as it. And let's take the example of main companies like Facebook posts, Instagram, Google. All these use Postgre, Cassandra. Google uses big tables. YouTube uses bytes. All these are the big tech companies use this type of big databases. Like YouTube suggests us our feed on the basis of the database, where all the data which we have watched or going to watch are stored. These are all at the backend. All these type of queries are being generated. Queries means how data is updated or manipulated within the database table. Database is all about table or tabular formats. A person who knows only database, or we can say he is the master of database, he can join big companies like Netflix, Google's as a DBA database administrator. Like if you want to book a ticket from the ISCTC, like we go to the website and book ticket. But when we book ticket, many queries are generated and created within the backend, like how much tickets or seats are vacant now, how the process of refunds are going, how the process of cancellation are going to be done, how the tax is going to be applied, how the payment is done. All these things are stored in a tabular format and also manipulated with respect to time. So this is how database is important. So thank you.
Hello, I am Rosalas and I will be talking about what is database, types of database and its real life examples and feedback. So a database is a place where we store data in an organized way so that it can be easily saved, searched, updated and deleted. Its example will be school register, which contains all the data of the students like name, roll number, class, parents name, address, etc. And second one will be context list, which contain context, name, etc. It's real life example like notebook or register where we write our notes and store it. There are several type of database. First is relational, NoSQL, distributed, cloud, hierarchical database. Database used in daily life applications like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. are used to store our information like videos, text, images, profile, post, likes, comments, etc. Uh, Conclusion will be database are very important in today's digital world. Without database, app like social media, email, online booking and search engine cannot work. So database helps us manage our data fast, secure, reliable and efficiently. Thank you.
Good evening, I am Smriti Prabha Sahu from CSCP of 4th SEM. This is a short video about database awareness with real life examples. Have you ever wondered how Facebook remembers your friends, how Instagram shows your post, and how Indian Railways book your ticket instantly? The answer is database. A database is an organized collection of data stored electronically. It helps us store, manage, update, and retrieve information easily. For example, your school stores student details in a database, hospitals store patient records in database, banks store account details in databases. Why database is important? Without databases, apps and website cannot function properly. Databases helps in first data retrieval, secure storage, managing large amount of data, avoiding duplications, and a many more works. Now let's give a focus on types of databases available. There are different types of databases, and those are relational databases. That the relational databases are the databases that stores data in tables, for example MySQL, Oracle. And then the second type of database is NoSQL database, that basically are used for large and flexible data, for example MongoDB. The third type of database is hierarchical database, data stored in tree structure. And the fourth one is network database, in which data is connected in complex relationship. The fifth one is distributed database, data stored across multiple locations. And the sixth or the last type of database is cloud database. It is stored on cloud servers like AWS, Google Cloud, Google Drive, etc. Some of the examples of databases that we use in our daily lives are, let's say, Facebook and Instagrams, YouTube's. Let me say you the database used behind each one. So Facebook and Instagram usually use MySQL or relational database, and also known NoSQL databases for large scale data. YouTube basically uses Big Table, Google's NoSQL database. Gmail and Google use Big Data and Spanner distributed database. Like if the type of database is used is distributed database. And Indian Railways and airports use Oracle database, or which is a type of relational database. Indigo Airlines uses enterprise relational databases like Oracle or SQL based systems for booking and passenger management. In this video, we learned that a database is not just a technical term, it is the brain behind every app and website we use daily to maintain our details and records. Every message you send, every share, every booking and emails, there is a smart database working silently behind it. So, databases are the backbone of today's digital world. Thank you.